Meaning of hard-fought.
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 Hard-fought. The term hard-fought describes a contest or battle that was difficult and required a lot of effort and determination to win. It implies that the victory was not easily achieved, and that the participants had to overcome obstacles and adversity to succeed. In the context of sports, it could refer to a close match that was won by a narrow margin, or a game in which both teams put up a strong fight. Overall, the term conveys a sense of hard work, perseverance, and determination in the face of challenges.